Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello everyone, hope you're doing amazing. It's jacobcrypobury here, and today we're going to look at Fantom very quickly. Just a quick update video because of we lost the support yesterday, but we very quickly bounced back. I just want to have a little look at that. As we can see, we've also got some very nice news as well. Fantom network ecosystem emerges as the third largest DeFi protocol in crypto. As we can see, the TVL is 12.2 billion. However, the total market cap is actually under 10 billion, so the TVL to market cap ratio is super duper bullish when you look at other projects like Polygon and things like such. We've also got Fantom's on fire. Here's why the emerging crypto will stay hot. Fantom is up 60% over the past month, even after the last decline for crypto as a whole. And there's a really cool thing here is the total value on the platform has grown by 8 billion in just a month compared to Aave, Solar, Ethereum. Fantom is undervalued based on its total value versus market cap. This is what we're always talking about. So really that's all you need to know about that particular one. So I just want to say huge thanks to the 4 patrons that I've got here. If you want to become a patron, it'd be amazing to support. You'll receive a free ebook here, one-on-one support. You'll get some Discord access, as you can see right here. We've got quite a few people in here at the moment, and I think it'd be really cool to see you join that Discord as well. That's all in the description down below. So we can see Fantom basically lost support here, and when it did lose support, it bounced back up almost immediately. So if you went short here, the volatility would have invalidated your sentiment. And yeah, God, I'm sounding a bit husky today. I've got a bit of a sore throat. I don't want to say it's the Rona, but who knows? So yeah, look, it looks like we're retesting this support level, which is now a resistance. And I hate to say it, but it's possible that we could still roll over and come back down to the next supports, like so, because it looks like we are getting a bit of rollover at the moment. But we're coming down, we're creating a high, and we're creating a lower low and a higher low. And everything is getting lower, so we're getting lower highs and lower lows, and that's kind of sad, really. But I think Fantom's still super bullish, and even if we do come down to these next levels down here, it's not really a massive problem. But I think we need to see that confirmation of breaking through this resistance at $2.21 before we can really come back through. So back up to 218 again, because we lost that support now. And I think it's around here, at 218 level. That's a real key resistance area before we can try and break back through to about 225. So that's pretty critical. So just a quick update, really. It's not too urgent with Fantom. Just keep on holding onto the coin. We know it's a fantastic project long term. If you are doing some risky trades on this, then it looks like we're already at the resistance here, and we're trying to fight our way back up to 216. So that's about a wrap, really, guys. If you did like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, patrons, you will receive an ebook which I think will completely transform your cognitive to market activity and help you understand the best way to allocate capital and many other interesting things. Of course, not financial advice, la-di-da-di-da. So yeah, thanks again, guys. If you enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe. See you in the next one.